in order to calculate the volume for a solid like this is a regular solid. A regular solid means you can measure each of the sides with a ruler. In science class, we use centimeters, which is the metric system. So Randy, if you want to measure the length of this wooden block, you place the side of the ruler that has centimeters, and you make sure you line up the 0 mark with the edge, and then you read off the other end. So for this we have 7.5 centimeters in length. So our length is 7.5 centimeters. Now we're going to measure the height or the thickness. We place the ruler here, 0 against the edge, and this one is 3.7. So the height or the thickness is 3.7 centimeters. And then we measure the side, which is also 3.7. So the width is also 3.7 centimeters. Now, we know that to find a volume, where volume means the amount of space occupied by an object or matter, is we multiply the length by the width by the height. So in this case, we multiply 7.5 centimeters by 3.7 centimeters by 3.7 centimeters. And
Anthony Arnold, Jocelyn Diaz, Neymani Herrera,
it becomes
Richard Monkey Bear, Ashley Mendez,
7.5
Saki Mitchell,
times
Brianna Morales,
7 times
Fatimata Inchi, Joshua Rosalia, and Mario Romano. Please report to the main office.
102.67 centimeter cube. Always, the unit of measurement is very important. And in this case, because we multiply centimeter for the length by centimeter of the width and centimeter of the height, we have centimeter cube. All right. Now that we have the volume, we're going to find the mass. And we have to calibrate our scale to be 0 and make sure it's in grams, because for the metric system or the SI unit, we use grams to measure the amount of matter it contains in this block. So we have to change this to grams. This is okay, so it's in grams now. And this is 58 grams. So the mass of the block is 58 grams. But we know that density is equal to mass over the volume. Our mass was 58 grams and the volume was 102.67. So let's do the division. 58 divided by 102.6, and it's equal to 0.565 grams per centimeter cube. That's it. Can you do it? Can you determine the density of whatever block you have? Okay, so the same way I did. And look over here, the formula is there. D is equal to M over V. What did you get? 281? 251, it should be about that. Yes. That is for the C, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you finish, you're going to measure for the A also.
Wait, so when we're doing math, it's with the ruler, right?
No, you're doing the math using the scale. You use the ruler to measure the volume.